Double can. Holding it steady. Good job, Dan. Huge switchblade. I know you guys are still getting warmed up for the day too, but you don't forget to make noise for these guys. Superman floating up into a kiss of death. I like that trick, Ray. Nice Indian air. These guys are just working their way up. These are definitely not their biggest tricks. Look back.
I'm doing a video.
It's called those helicopters. Ray just feeling things out. Jack having a little trouble with his bike. It's gonna be okay. Is it too new? A little too new, huh? Yeah. Nice whip. Who here has seen freestyle motocross before? We got a few of you guys who've seen it besides on TV, actually in person. I know on TV it looks cool, it looks fun, it looks like the jumps are so small. You can understand this is 75 feet. Their bottom of the wheels are right at 30 feet. Nice shallow land, Dan. Ray, he's the only one of the two. Nice Rodova. Jack Rowe, the inventor of that trick.